Hi, I'm Lauren. Are you a content creator, a voice artist, or an educator? Don't let complicated processes and expensive recording equipment hold you back. Get studio-quality voiceovers made instantly with Avicii and at a fraction of the cost. Creating voiceovers the traditional way requires you to hire a professional voice artist, invest in expensive recording equipment, rent a recording studio, and outsource the recorded piece to an editor to modify and edit the voiceover. Not only is the entire process time-consuming, but also highly expensive. With Avicii text-to-speech, you don't have to spend as much time and money to get creative and produce high-quality voiceovers. Producing high-quality, realistic voiceovers with Avicii text-to-speech is a simple steps process. Copy-paste an existing script or type in the text for your script on Avicii text-to-speech text editor. Choose a standard human cloned voice or an AI voice of your choice from Avicii's text-to-speech growing library of emotive voices across different languages and accents. Use custom features like emphasis, pause, speed, pronunciation, and more to add more depth to your voiceover narration. Click on Synthesize to File to render the final voiceover. Do you like the way my voice sounds? Yes, it's also included there. Explore more natural-sounding voices like mine with ongoing promotion this month. Get started on Avicii Studio today.